Hey, it's Luke with Anton Solar, and we just completed another successful solar installation. These are our new customers. Meet Bill and Kathy Beans. We installed 52 250 watt solar panels on their roof for a total system size of 13 kW. Now they could have leased their system, but instead they decided to purchase it using our 12-month same as cash combined with the new PSE&G solar program. The total system cost is $42,900, but for the first 12 months, Bill and Kathy will pay absolutely nothing. And in that time, PSE&G will send them $20,048. They'll also receive $12,870 from the federal government as an income tax credit. That makes their net out-of-pocket cost $9,982 and their system is paid for. Based on their energy savings of over $2,600 a year, their payback will be about 3.65 years. Now, over the next 15 years, between their total savings and income, plus the increase to their home value of about 3%, they'll realize a return on investment of over $60,000. That's the equivalent annualized rate of return on their net out-of-pocket cost of over 17.5%. Try to get that with your 401k. Troy, let me know when those things start clicking.
Bright, sunny.
He said it's clicking.
You said they have to warm up.
So we're going to have the motors have to power up. He says they're clicking, and usually when they're clicking, that's when they're starting to.
That's pretty cool. It's hard to believe, huh?
Wow.
That quick to get it done. There it is.
It stopped.
There it is.
Look at that.
Look at it
Look at that.
go.
It's a blur.
500 times.
What do you think?
That's excellent.
Give me a thumbs up.
Really fast. It's going fast.
The other way.
No, it wasn't.
That's what I'm talking about.
We are pumping more in,
What
huh?
we're using, yeah.
Look at that. It switched right over.